Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. I post on Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays, 6 PM my time, which is UK time. And I do post the occasional bonus video too if I want to be part of a collab or like an open invite, something like that. Now, I've wanted to try out some new facial ideas because I loved the one I made with Bex a few months ago. In fact, I need to make that for Morgan. I've got to remember to do that tomorrow when I get home. I'm not very well at the moment. I've got kind of virus again. At the moment you can kind of see I've got like a little rash on my face. So we are thinking it's slap face, but we are not 100% sure. It could be absolutely anything. But I have got dry skin at the moment as well, so I thought about doing this honey and coconut oil facial, and it's good for moisturising your face. If it cures slap face or whatever I've got wrong with me, then it's a good thing. And I may change the title to that, how to cure slap face. If not, then it's just going to help anyway, and I want to try this out. And it's really easy. All you need is like normal, like raw honey. So I've just got a bottle of honey. You need coconut oil, and I've got Lucy B's coconut oil, and that is a very local brand. I actually know Lucy myself. And you also need lavender oil. And then I've just got a little mixing bowl, and you just need a teaspoon, so I'll just get that out of the drawer. And I'm in my pyjamas, I'm ready to go to bed. It's Saturday night when I'm filming this, and you need to put this on for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm putting it on to wash off just before casualty. So this is what you're gonna need. If I find recipes like this, then I put all the information down below for you if it's easier to follow along. Or sometimes do blog posts on it too. So yeah, that'll all be down below. But I'm in my pyjamas, I'm cozy, ready for bed, but I wanted to do this facial anyway because I've been loving practicing, trying all different facials out. So here we go. So first of all, you need 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. 1 drop of lavender. Oh, that's quite a few drops of lavender, but that just came out anyway. And then you want 1.5 teaspoons of honey. That lavender smells amazing. Just because I'm going to get another teaspoon and scrape it off this spoon so it goes onto the mixture basically more. And then I'm going to use the 1 spoon to mix it all together, and then you just need to apply this to your face, and that is as simple as that. So now it smells amazing, but now I will apply it to my face. So I'll apply it to my face now for the 15 minutes, and I'll be back once it's ready to be washed off, or I'll take you into the bathroom. Did I do that last time? Can't remember. Ugh, it's really slimy, but it tells you to rub it in circular motions, and actually can really tell my cheeks really red. I'll be back in 15 minutes once this is soaked into my skin. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. I'd say be super careful because it feels like it's going in this eye a little bit, or it's so like oily. So just be super careful with that, but otherwise it just looks like you're glowing basically. So I'm just gonna wash it off now. So I've still got my little red cheeks, but there we go, if that happened anyway. But it definitely feels like more moisturised, and it feels like it's still sinking into my skin, if that makes sense. And the mixture made more than one, so I've got enough for another face mask. And so I will be able to do another one, or I'll give that out to a friend. So it is always handy to have two, and they do last about a week, I would say. So yeah, you can just obviously pile it up and put it on another night as well. So yeah, so that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you try face masks, or like to make them yourself, and what is your favourite. Please also subscribe, push the notification bell to see when I post. Thanks for watching, bye.